Insect farming, a sustainable solution. More than delicious and nutritious, mealworms can be sustainably farmed. Mealworms require few space. It is possible to farm them vertically, and they naturally live in high density. We can call them effective eaters. They require few feed and almost no water in order to grow. As they are omnivorous, they can be fed on food byproducts and kitchen scraps. Mealworm farming can be clean. They emit fewer greenhouse gases and pollutants than traditional livestock animals. Mealworms farming is effective. They grow fast and multiply quickly for providing you high-quality protein. That's not all. There are a lot of different solutions emerging for a better food system, and mealworms are a delicious one. That's why we developed the hive.